Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming a couple essentials so the app shows up reliably. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, updated, and Bluetooth is on. This helps the system reveal paired accessory options. Once done, tap Settings to proceed. This is faster than searching home screens. You're doing this because Settings surfaces installed apps and pairing status. It tells you whether the Watch app is present. From here, you'll move into Apps and Notifications to find the Watch entry quickly. Now locate the Watch app by checking a couple of reliable places. First, open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage. Apps are listed and you'll see Apple Watch if installed. Alternatively, swipe down on the home screen to reveal Search and type Watch. This is direct and fast. Make sure to note whether it's in the app library or hidden on a page. If you find it, long press the icon to view App Store or deletion options. This confirms its presence and state. Finish by acting on what you found. If the Watch app is present, open it and check pairing status. If not, download it from the App Store. Once installed, restart both devices to refresh Bluetooth and icon displays. This often resolves missing apps. If problems persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to force a sync. Make sure you know your password first. One troubleshooting tip: if reinstalling fails, check restrictions or screen time settings that might hide or block the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.